In this tutorial, I'll show you 5 different ways to get high-quality clips for your edits completely for free. First method, YouTube. If you prefer these types of edits, YouTube will be the best place to get clips. If you search something like car clips 4K, you will find tons of high-quality and professional clips. Simply choose one you like and screen record it, or use some 4K YouTube downloader, but at your own risk. If you like making speed ramping edits, try searching Sutra Edits. In his channel, you will find better clips for that kind of editing. Second method, TikTok. TikTok can be a good place to find clips, especially these ones made in Assetto Corsa. A good creator who posts these is FRZ Musics. Once again, find one you like and copy the link. I personally use ssstic.io, but once again, do it at your own risk. Paste the link and download without watermark. Third method, asking. Yeah, you can do that. Simply ask the creators who shoot cars to give you clips. There are many who are glad to get their clips more attention, or they just want to help other creators. For example, I asked Fivo.mp4 for his green Revuelto clips, and he gave them to me. Fourth method, Discord. Discord is, in my opinion, the best place to get clips. My favorites are Sutra's editing server and District's server. On Sutra's server, there is this free clips page, which has a lot of good clips. And then on District's server, there is raw clips page. This one has more creators who share their own clips, and not like in Sutra's page, where only Sutra gives them. Fifth method, websites. The final way I'll show in this video is to get the clips through websites. Many creators have their own sites where they sell their clips, and usually there are some free ones. For example, Vaultcar.media. He has a link for his clips on his Instagram. Click the link, and then you can just download the clips you want. That's basically it.